Hello, greetings to everybody. My name is Murali Krishna Rao. I have rich domain expertise in sales and marketing and other manufacturing departments. And since I worked as a project manager for various technologies and verticals, ERP domain I chose in the year 2006. Then I worked on release 11 and release 12 on finance and supply chain management. I have two end-to-end implementation expertise, one support project expertise, and taking multiple batches on training for end users as well as hired trainees for their training and recruitment program. There I trained on financial, supply chain, manufacturing modules. Recently I have completed one Oracle University program called Training on Demand, where we configured some business cases, 50 business cases like customer pre-billing acceptance, customer post-billing acceptance, P2P cycle, O2C cycle, depot to order, and return order material authorization, then I receivables, billing, presentation, architecture. Involving those few modules, we configured 50 business cases and prepared audio presentation for Oracle University. This is a brief overview. Thank you. Yeah, thanks, Mr. Vijay. I'd like to first go through this bill of material and work in process brief demo. So, for example, we start with an.
You have that opened on your screen, or I need to open that?
You just open the slide so that you know I'm talking this brief demo on BOM and WIP. I prepared myself overlay. That's right.
Okay, yeah, you can start. Huh? Yeah. Go ahead, please.
Yeah, can I start talking now?
Yeah.
Greetings. Now we are going to discuss on bill of material and work in process brief presentation about the modules and how it is integrated with other modules. Now, for example, ABC Corporation is making bikes organization. Bikes is making bikes. In the bikes, what are the materials? What is the bill of material required? For example, we need tires, we need machine, we need also engines, we need also some steel parts and plastic parts. So these are all components and sub-components, major master items and sub-items required to configure a bike for our organization. So for example, you are maintaining multiple customers, you are maintaining multiple suppliers, and also you are maintaining your semi-finished goods, raw material and finished goods inventory. In this scenario, bill of material plays an important role for manufacturing module, manufacturing scenario of your organization. ABC Corporation is making bikes now. Now we configured multi-org for our organization. That means we are not going to work with exactly vision operations. We are going to work with multi-org concept, where we are going to capture our own business group, our own legal entity, our own general ledger, our own operating unit and inventory organizations, etc. And we are going to create our own items, whether it's a ATO item or CTO item, or how bills are created. Now, for example, in manufacturing, for example, we are maintaining a inventory where master items are located. Now, to manufacture a bike, so bike is the master item. And what are the sub-components are required? You require tires, you require engine, you require chassis, you require some handles, you require plastic parts and a box. So these are the sub-components. Below the sub-components, for example, in case of tires, you need, you can have a what you call airless, means airless tubes, and also some other alloys and also. And in case of plastics, under plastics also you need multiple components required. You need a lock for that, and also you need a plastic companies, those are manufacturing these boxes also you need to have. So these are the subcomponents, and so this material in inventory organization, this production people based upon the sales order or demand in the market or shortage in the organization, these people, this manufacturing people, they take the bill of material. This bill is taken to your procurement, your inventory organization department. This inventory manager will check whether the items are available in our go down or not. For example, we have already the items are located in our go down, and we will issue these bills of material quoted by your production team and issue to you for your manufacturing, either your discrete manufacturing or repetitive manufacturing job order. Okay, so for example, bills requires bills of parameter. The parameters plays an important role where you can determine how many components, master or sub level components we can determine here. That means Oracle application supports 60 levels of sub components and sub components. We can set up a profile value as per our client requirement. Okay. Then bill of material, we can have just how bills should be created. It should be a combined bill or 2-3 bills combined or single bill to be generated. Bill of material, also we are going to discuss about various departments associated and various resources are associated with the bill of material and their rates, resources rates available with the organization. So that kind of information we are going to capture in real-time scenario while working with bill of material. In a bill of material, after configuring your departments, department classes, and your bill of material parameters, and defining your resources, we are going to make a structure of a master and subcomponents of your bill of material. That is what called as routing in bill of material. So after creation of tree structure of your master item and sub items, you are going to create a intended bill. Then after bill is intended, then we can take the printout of the bill and submit to your inventory manager, where they can issue this material for the production process. This is a brief about bill of material.
Okay, Murli.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now we are going to see working process of our organization. So what is working process? So working process will happen basically with two jobs. One job is your discrete job, another is repetitive job or scheduled job. What is the difference between discrete job and repetitive job? So in production environment, special items are created at particular time, that is called as discrete job. And repetitive job means the job which is regular in our production manufacturing and which is not based upon any sales order, which means the order is happening at different schedules. That means daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis. So I hope you understood now the difference, exactly the difference between discrete job and repetitive job. So these jobs are mainly, they are also integrated with bill of material for the bills. Means the bills we are going to get the for the manufacturing of your items. It also shares your departments, your resources, your department classes, everything. So apart from this working process, also a part of it is having also controls of parameters, where you can specify the discrete job defaulted, and also from which source we are getting the working process. For example, based upon the sales order, we are getting the order for working process. That means a sales order has been created for the want of a customer. Then we are going to configure as per the order in working process. So work in process already having
Okay,
setups like your account classes.
some sound is coming.
So yeah, yeah. Shadama?
Yeah, go ahead. Still coming, but you can go ahead. It's better.
No, 1 minute. Some housemaid has come.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's okay. Go ahead, please.
Okay. Apart from departments and department classes, resources, work in process will also create a account classes where you can define your discrete class and repetitive classes. After which we have certain items, items should be defined as push type or assemble to push to, then operation full. So these items are also configured as per the order. Then after defining a job, so we are defining a job for discrete, and we are going to configure what is the tolerances of items to be manufactured, and what is the tolerance of dates, means slippage of dates, that also we can create. Then after completion of configuration of this work in process parameters along with discrete job classes, then we have to clear this work in process based upon a job. For example, you have a discrete job where you have set the tolerances for a number of items to be manufactured from this date to this date. So those items will be released automatically or manually after finishing the job of a particular job. For example, you have a forging job, a lathing job, and some other forging job. So this, after completion of these jobs and the discrete job, that can be a special item that we are going to finish it. Then after releasing the job, automatically the items are pushed back to finished inventory, sub-inventory. Then raw materials are fetched. That also can be done through this operation. So initially we can have a number of bill can have a multiple items where sub-components. So which component requires how many items, we are going to create it in a bill of material. So those many items are available or not, the working process will check, and job is completed. Then job will release the order. Then after releasing the order, there will be a transaction can happen from source inventory to sub-inventory to staging inventory. So soon after finishing the job, a move order planning can be taken place. Then that time the number of items, finished items, then it will go to finished inventory. So like this way, similarly we can create a repetitive job. There also we can give the tolerances, and we can schedule a number of days the item should be created. So these items are regular and not any special in nature. So these items are also released as per our finishing, the overview of finishing job, then push back to your finishing items. So this is brief about work in process demo. These two BOM and WIP, since they are part of supply chain management, so we are going to create multi-org access controlling. There we are actually basically we are working with BOM is the basic module where it has scope to create a P2P cycle and O2C cycle. So it will be integrated with, it will be talking to many modules in this in our course.
Right.
So that
So
is
whatever
brief about the work in process.
whatever the modules these two are related with, those briefing about those modules will also be given, so that the candidate can correlate
Yeah.
the things with the other modules. Okay, yeah, that's great. So this way
So
we are, yeah.
work in process will coordinate with based upon the sales order. So which is also you are integrated with your inventory module
Mhm.
and your order management,
Right.
then items, etc. Bill of material, it is also integrated with your inventory module, then work in process module,
Yeah. So
purchasing module.
yeah. So this way it is going to be kind of real-time project kind of training in which real-time examples will be given by you, and you will explain the features and functionalities given in the product. So it is going to be like the way it is in the real-time project, like from starting from the requirement gathering till the mapping, configuration, testing, and user related activities also, like you explained in the demo. So those things will be done. Okay.